So yung pinaka-main branch natin is yung Las Piñas. Yung pangalawang branch naman namin is yung Bacoor. And yung pangatlong branch or yung final branch namin, which is pinaka-recent lang siya, is yung Daang Hari. So, ang pinaka-main branch namin is our Las Piñas. It was established since 2019. We were also operating during the pandemic days. So, samahan nyo ako para makita ano yung meron sa loob ng Las Piñas branch. Hi guys! Welcome to Fadisa Physical Therapy. So, we are here in our Las Piñas branch and I want you to see kung ano yung meron sa loob ng Las Piñas branch. Okay? Tara! So here, dito yung reception area namin. In this area, we take quick information, your name, your contact number, yung concerns natin, like if you are suffering from lower back pain. And this is the waiting area before we call you, of course, to have the assessment or the consultation with us. Okay? So this is our consultation office. So dito nagaganap, of course, the history taking. Ito ko malalaman kung ano talaga yung pinaka-main concerns nyo. Dito ko din nalalaman kung ano talaga yung pwede natin gawin para masolusyonan yung mga problema or pinagdadaanan nyo. Once we know what kind of procedure or what is the treatment plan, of course, we will have you in our one of the treatment beds. So ito yung tsura ng bed namin. Okay. Dito naman, we have room number 3 for neurological conditions kasi the treatment bed is kind of low para ma-accommodate namin yung mga pasyenteng hirap maglakad, hirap makatayo, hirap makaupo. So here, we have one of our machines which is the vibrocursor, the shockwave, the microcurrent, and of course, our ultrasound machines. As you can see here, we have one of our patient who he is having a hand problem. So dito also we handle some patients who are having hand problem or problem with when they are walking. So we have also the parallel bar. Also we have the finger ladder, and of course some other equipments that will be necessary to help you in your program to solve whatever that you are dealing with. So yan, don't hesitate to contact us. Don't hesitate to get it checked before it's too late. Don't wait for the pain again to come worse. So always pa-check up habang maaga pag mayroon kayong nararamdaman. Right? So yan. Feel well at Fadisa.
Feel well at Fadisa.